Sir, you have already started your campaigning as far as your constituency is concerned. How has been the response?
Kalangut, it's not only during election, we campaign on a regular basis. It's not campaigning, we go and ask people about their works, about various problems are there, water, electricity, roads, footpaths. We try to help them. For that election, we already started campaigning and there is good response.
म्हाका दिसता कालांगुडीच्या आनी तशें सालिगांव तशें सुगुरूय दिसती पडटा दिसता तुमी सो कॅन्डिडेट्स कशे आहा कितें एक्झॅक्टली ते सांगा बिकॉज तो पयलो तो तुमी
Officially, BJP party will declare. Today there was a meeting and shortlisted candidate is Karthik Kurnekar from Sukur.
ओके
And I feel that people of Sukur will give him a good lead, starting from Sukur.
सालिगांव कोण आसा सालिगांवूय
The area is Sukur Zilla Panchayat constituency, which comprises of Saligaon, comprises of Giri and Parra
ओके
and Sukur.
दो यू कम फ्रॉम कालांगूट constituency it looks like Michael has expanded his base in other constituency.
There is no expanding base.
हाँ
It is like Karthik सर्वसामान्य मनीस गरिबांसून वयर सरलेलो लोकांनी ताका मेंबर म्हणून निवडून दिला आनी म्हाजे हिसपान कार्तिक वील गिव जस्टीस टू द पीपल ऑफ सुकूर एंड अदर विलेजीस एज फार एज हीज वन्स ही गेट्स इलेक्टेड एज अ जिल्हा पंचायत कितें कामां करपाक जाय लोकांक पावपाक जाय कितें करून दिता जाय ती म्हाका गॅरंटी आहा तेजी.
कितलें इम्पोर्टन्स तुमकांय आसा हे सिटां जिखून हाडपाक बिकॉज यू हॅव टेकन अप द चॅलेंज.
It's not a challenge as such. It is, my area falls in Sukur, that is Parra village. Giri and Saligaon, I was Zilla Panchayat member there. So, to get Karthik elected once party declares him, is not a challenge. It's like people of the constituency will want him to win. Because definitely he will do a lot of work along with the government.
करेक्ट
Once government is with him, he can associate with us. He can join hands with us to do the development of the constituency.
म्हाका बाब लास्ट कितलें इम्पोर्टंट जालेलें आसा कित्याक पार्टी लायन्सार इफ इलेक्शन जाता सो कितलें इम्पोर्टंट जाला एटलीस्ट टू सी दॅट बोथ द दीस योर चेअरपर्सन इज टू बी सीन दॅट.
Party lines today, once we are of a particular party, जेन्ना एक आमदार पार्टीचो आसता तो he has to field a candidate of the party and get him elected. So our job is to see that once party declares him candidate, we have to work hard and convince the people that he will get your work done.
Is there competition from
He is already there as a panchayat. His wife is already in the panchayat. He has known panchayat, and I strongly feel that he is a good candidate, and people will stand by him. All people, like including there are different this thing of Sukur,
correct
Saligaon, Giri, and all communities. Not only one particular community. All communities will stand by him.
you see a competition there the way you have been
There is no
moving
competition, I feel. There is no competition because Karthik is down to earth person. People will rally behind him. I have full guarantee on the people that a good candidate, and I am also supporting them.
correct
Parra Panchayat is supporting them. Saligaon Panchayat also will support him. Sukur Panchayat members are with him. Plus, like-minded people who are not affiliated to political parties, they are also with him. I have got so many calls that a good candidate, if you are considering, you should consider Karthik Kurnekar.
what would be your message towards the voters in Saligaon, Sukur and Kalangut?
Message is very simple. Elect our candidate. Your work, how it has to be done, is our responsibility. जी कामां प्रत्यक्षान लोकांची पर्सनल आसता थोडी कामां जनरल असता थोडी कामां वाड्याची असता विलेजीची असता ऑल दीस वर्क इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वन्स यू गेट द कॅन्डिडेट इलेक्टेड